Well, hello, I'm Shawna Alridge, your favorite real estate broker and appraiser in Atlanta, Georgia. Today we are in Henry County in the city of Stockbridge, getting ready to tour this beautiful new construction home behind me that has an owner suite bathroom that will knock your socks off. Let's go inside and see what all the fuss is about. Enjoy the tour. All right, here we are. Very good. Per usual, I'm going to pan. Let's pan. Panning is good. You need to see this. See what your neighbors are looking like. See what's going on here. Okay, people are moving in, getting settled, and you are next. Go ahead and call me now. Call me while you're watching this video. Let's talk about it. Let's get you guys set to go, okay? Beautiful fall day. It's kind of chilly out here. The sun is out, but it's lovely. It's lovely here in Georgia. Now, here is a front cover porch. We love a good porch here in Georgia. We really do. Because we're going to put some furniture out here. We're going to hang out. We're going to sit out here and everything. So yes, I'm going to go up so you can see the detail. Yeah, it's good. Okay, let's go. Yes. I'm going to close the door behind me, so be a little noise. But let's go up. The drama. Yeah, 2-story foyer, y'all. And I'm going to spin around so that you can see what it looks like walking into your home. Look at that. Very good. All right. Lucky you. You have a formal living room. It's very good. It's really spacious too. You put your furniture in here situated all nicely. Or, hey, it could be, office setting. Whatever you want. Then over here you have your formal dining. All right. It's very good too. Look at that. Put a nice size table here. I'll show you how it looks on this end. Yeah. Yep. Over here, look. You have space to go over through there. But let's continue on. These are the steps. We'll go up there shortly. Let me bring you over here. Just for perspective. You see that? Okay, formal living room. Full bathroom, y'all. On the main level. A full bathroom. Yep. Then right here, closet space, because we need that here in Georgia. Because we have all 4 seasons. Some of us have really big coats. Okay, where are you gonna put it? Where are you gonna put your big old coats? This is a really big bedroom, y'all. You can easily put a bed in here, and you can also put a chase and bedroom furniture. This is a really big room, y'all. Okay, this is your closet. You can kind of come in here too. That's something. Let me show you this. So you can kind of come in here. It's good, right? Okay. So that's on this side of the home, okay? Over here, beautiful. Look at this space. Living room, family room, with a fireplace. Look at the view from right here. Isn't that nice? Yep. Look at that. I love this for y'all. It flows really well. Like if you have guests, they're gonna come in from here. You can sit there at that table. This is storage. You over here in your living room, family room, open to the kitchen. You got your breakfast area. I know you see that game day porch back there. We're gonna go back there in a second. Look at your multi-purpose island. You can do all the things right here. You come in from the garage, look, plant your stuff right there. Isn't that good? This is the garage, by the way. Really spacious. You got a pickup truck, it'll fit in here. It'll fit in here. But look at your kitchen. So good. Set your stuff right there, right? Or even right here. Okay. Look at your pantry. Plenty of space to put all of your things because you have so much stuff when you're going shopping, buying in bulk. Whirlpool appliances. So you have your microwave, you have your stove, you have your gas cooktop. Yeah, you can have a good time in this kitchen, entertaining your guests, taking care of your family. Look at that. So if you're in the kitchen, you're like, hey, such and such, what are you watching on television? You're gonna mount your television right there. We do that here in Georgia. We mount our televisions up there above the fireplace just to kind of conserve the floor space. Yeah. But let's go out here. The wind is blowing, y'all. The wind is blowing something serious. It's like it's always blowing when I'm filming. Okay. So you come outside, you're hanging out, turn on your fireplace, watch some television. Here is a ceiling fan, okay? Just in case it may be a hot day, right? It may not be a cold day. Your ceiling fan on. No need for a fireplace in that case. But yeah, let's step out here. Let's have a look at this view. Pretty. So good. Very good for you and your family. Go get the kids. We're getting ready to go upstairs. Go get the babies. Go get your partner. Go get your wife. We're getting ready to go upstairs. Now listen, I wouldn't be mad at you if you fast forward to the owner suite. I wouldn't get mad. Okay, let's go. Yes, I hope you're enjoying the tour so far. Very good. We have a little bit more to go. Okay, we got to go upstairs, have a look at that owner suite and that owner suite bathroom, the one I've been raving about. Yeah. Listen, if you want to talk, give me a call right now. My number is right here at the bottom of the screen. Just go ahead and call me. Ultimately, I don't want you to go into a community without representation. But if you're itching to come into a community, new construction, go into an open house, that's fine. Let them know you have representation, okay? I would love to represent you, all right? Just don't do this alone. You shouldn't have to. You don't have to. And guess what? There are things that you can take advantage of that you wouldn't even know about because you don't know what you don't know. But I know it. All right, listen. Let's finish up this tour. We're going to go upstairs right now. Let's go. Yes. Just to go ahead and wow you. We're gonna go right in. We're just gonna get right to it. We're just gonna get right to it. Look at this space. The owner suite of your dreams. It's so good. It's so spacious. You can do so much. I've seen so many different types of sitting areas. So here's your sitting area. Look at the ceiling. Here's your sitting area. But I've seen it be like the gym, a whole entire dressing room, like customized with cabinetry, all that stuff. The nursery, office. So, whatever you want. But look at this. I think for me, it's just the drama of opening up 2 doors. Let's experience it. Okay, y'all ready? Let's go. Ooh. So good. Dual vanity, okay? That's a linen closet. Let me show you. Hey. Okay, you got your own towels in here, okay? You don't share these towels with anyone else in the household. You got your own plush towels, all right? You have a soaking tub. Yep. Here's your water closet. And that's spacious too. Some water closets are not as spacious. Here's your shower. Luxury. You deserve it. Yes, you do. You deserve this. Tell your partner, tell your husband, tell your wife that you deserve it. Tell them I said that you deserve this. Yep. Plenty of closet. Plenty of closet. Hats, purses, shoes. Okay. We've seen the owner suite. Now we'll have to look at, and here's your doors for your owner suite. You got 2 doors here. Okay. Look at that. Okay. Let me give you a view. We'll go over there last, but since we're on this side, here's your loft. Here's your loft. And it looks down to the foyer and the front door. Okay. What would you do in this space? How would you set it up? Here's your laundry. And I like how it has cabinetry in there. I can appreciate that. Can't you? Nice touch. Linen closet. Here's a bedroom. Okay. Here's a bedroom. We're at the front of the home, y'all. Yep. And then here is your walk-in closet with a window. I'll show you the window. Yep. But look at the bedroom, it's big. Now in between the bedroom, there's another bedroom over there, but in between is a shared bathroom. So you have dual vanity, so you can be in this space, and then you have the shower tub combination in your toilet. Oops, sorry about that noise. That's my bag hitting the counter. But now we're in this bedroom. With a reach-in closet. This is a good sized bedroom too now. Just so we're clear. Okay? So the babies will be just fine. Or the teens, the big kids. Maybe they aren't babies anymore. Well, they're always your baby, but you know what I mean. Okay. Now we're going to the other end. There's a bedroom over here. Of course, there's a full bath right here in front of us. Okay. is another closet for linen, towels, candles. So whoever you all choose will have this room. They have access to that bathroom, which will really be their own bathroom, because the other 2 bedrooms on the other side, they share a bathroom, so they really have this side to themselves. And this room is really large, so you can easily make it a bedroom and put like maybe a little chase here, a little sofa, a little desk, schoolwork and whatnot. This is a really big room. So yeah, very good. What do you think? Can you see yourself living here? Look at this featured wall. Can you see yourself living here? I can't wait to assist you. Give me a call. My number is at the bottom of the screen. Give me a call. Let's talk about it. Let me know what you think when you're ready. Now let's go downstairs and have a little chit chat. Well, I certainly hope you enjoyed the tour of this lovely new construction home. As you can see, I'm in a beautiful, well-lit kitchen. Right here is gas cooktop. Behind me is the walk-in pantry. Of course, the microwave and oven. In front of me is the multi-purpose island. Do all of the things, right? You can sit down and eat. You can prepare your food. You can display your food, even wash your dishes. Yeah. So what I see right in front of me is also the living room. And I believe that this is great because if you're entertaining guests, you can sit right here in the kitchen, prepare the food, and then you can talk to your guests and they can see you, you can see them. But you can move your guests outside to the game day porch. Yeah, it's so good. So much fun. You can sit out there when it's cold, turn on the fireplace. If it's hot outside, turn on your ceiling fan. It's really good. Of course, upstairs is really cool. You have that amazing owner suite like I showed you earlier. Yeah. You have the bedroom, then you have the sitting area, which is really good. And then you have that beautiful, luxurious bathroom, that tub that sits in front of that shower. You can go in that shower, sit down and relax because you deserve it. Of course, you have ample closet space. It's just really good. Listen, when you talk about buying a home, whether it's new construction, resale, even if you're selling a home, don't go at it alone. In this case, the builder has an agent on site representing them. Create some separation there. Have someone to represent you. Consider me a resource. I know you're excited. You're going inside these different communities and you're talking to the agents, but listen, you need representation and I'm here for you. I've been in business for over 23 years. I'm a broker and an appraiser, so I understand negotiations and valuations very well. I have relationships too in the industry, so I use that and leverage it to make sure you have a great experience. Because there are some things that you don't know, right? You don't know what you don't know, but I'm here to assist and help you with that to make sure you get the best deal possible, all right? So go ahead and call me. My number is at the bottom of the screen, but it's also right here. Boom, call me, text me, email me. I will respond. I am here for you. Listen, if you call me and I don't answer, I'm probably asleep because we're on different time zones, but just send me a text message. I'll call you soon. Also, the link below in the description, you can schedule a face-to-face Zoom call with me and we'll talk about, your wants and desires, and then we'll map out a nice plan there and we'll execute at your own pace, all right? In the meantime, go ahead and watch my other videos because I have videos across the Atlanta, Georgia metro area. So that way you'll get familiarized with what we have going on here. We have all kind of options, all different price points and style of homes, okay? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Share with your friends and family. Let them know we got it going on here in Georgia, and I am here to assist you, whether you are buying or selling. But again, do not go at it alone, all right? Call me so we can make sure that you're taken care of, okay? We'll talk to you very soon. Take care.